Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Cybertruck RC car. So this is a 1 month review. So let me show you what it comes with and how to use it, and I'll give my final thoughts at the end. So this is how the RC car looks. It's a Cybertruck. It looks just like one. Very cool. It has a hitch here, so you could tow this trailer hitch right here. And some grippy wheels. This is where you charge it with the USB-C. Right here is where you turn it on and off. You can adjust the alignment right there. And it even has lights once you turn it on. See the lights? This is the controller. This is the controller right here. If you're going to use it, you use AC. This one, you get to change the different speeds from low, medium, high. This is where you turn left to right, forward to backwards. And this has the included battery, which is a CR2032 battery. You can see that the car is unresponsive to the controller. You press this, it goes forward, backwards. Then if you want to change the speed, you just here, low, medium, high. If you press AC, that's for automatic. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can get this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great miniature RC car. I like the design of the car. I like that it has LED. I also like how it's very responsive to the controller. The battery life lasts a decent amount of time, and the details on the car is very cool. It's made very well. My son loves playing with it. The controller is very responsive also. It's very easy to use and very small, so you could take this with you anywhere. And even the trailer, that's the added bonus.